Is everybody ready? Here comes the countdown in 3, 2, 1. Toss that card! Looking good. All right, here we go. Oh, there you go. What is your name? Oh, yeah, and you look thrilled to be the substitute dunker. There we go. Yeah, I signed up for this and was like, oh, shoot, I'm busy that day. Can you get dunked for me? Our throwers are getting ready. And most importantly, I now don't have to do a dunk. Okay, let's do this. Number 1. Oh, so close. Number 2.
It's not that cold.
Yeah, just wait. Number 3.
You don't want to be dunked?
Yeah.
No?
I don't think so. I've done it on hot days and it's still cold.
Oh,
water.
it's still, yeah, it's not.
I thought maybe you guys were participating.
No, no. One of those dunks because we missed all the other ones. Okay, let's go on to the color bombs and see what that looks like. So next is the color bombs. There's a huge lineup waiting to purchase your color bombs. They're $2 each, so I think you can buy how many colors you'd like for that. But I'm excited to see that. I'm just going to be a spectator. I am not throwing, but we will see how that turns out.
Is everybody ready? Here comes the countdown in 3, 2, 1. Toss that card! Looking good. And 3, 2, 1. Toss!
You're welcome. Hi, hot chocolate.
Hi. Hi, can I get a hot chocolate?
Yeah, it's free.
No. Well, I thought it was for a fundraiser. I was ready to support a cause.
Support my
I was. Yeah.
Yeah. We might have to do that next time.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah. Can I get another one? The husband's waiting in the truck. Sorry. Okay, stack it on top there. Perfect.
Got it?
Thank you.
Awesome.
that they, yeah.
What time was that supposed to start?
The fireworks start at 8:15.
It's so that every kid can have a little piece of the pie. I do cool stuff. You make noise. You don't do this at home.
Thanks for joining me today in Sylvan Lake at their March Meltdown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you and the support that you give and watching these videos. Thank you so much, and I will see you all next week.